Good morning, it is Clay Trader from claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to cut some of my live trades as they unfold, so I will keep you posted. The market opens up in less than a minute. Okay, I'm in here at CTL at 45 exactly and out for 45.20, so that was a quick little 20-cent move. Plan on continuing to trade this as we're getting some good volatility with it, so I will keep you updated. Looking to pick up some shares here at 75. If it can get down that low. Well, it looks like it wants to go back above. Jumping all over the place, really. So I will keep you updated, but right now, looking to get some at 75. Okay, I'm in again at, and out that fast, got in at 43.50. And then you can see bounce up 15 cents is about as fast as I could talk. So now I'm going to try at 35 and I'm in there. We'll try for another 15 cents. And again, that fast was able to get out. Try again at 20. And these 15-cent moves seem to be continuing to work, so we'll see if it can get down there again or not. I will keep you updated. Okay, got in again. Sorry, the thing moves so fast before I can click the record button, I'm already in. And I'm back out again for another 15 cents. I'm just going to try this one at 43 now. See if I can get that. If it breaks through 43, probably have a good chance to build a bigger position. Let's see what happens here with it. So I'm in, looking for that 15 cents again, or to try to build an even bigger position. And I'm out that fast again. So I'm going to try at 42.80. See if it wants to drop down there. I got close. There I am in at 42.80. Now we'll try to get out at 42.95 or build a bigger position in here. Pick up some more at 40 if it wants to go down that low. So let's see what happens here with it. Might be able to build up a bigger position here. Well, it's getting close to 95 again, but still can't quite get up there and get it. Okay, dropping to the downside. I wouldn't mind being able to build a bigger position at all. So let's see what happens. Let's see if it can get down there to the 40s. I think I'll pick some more up at 32 if I can get those. So getting closer to my 40s that I want. And I don't know if I'm going to get them or not. There we go. But I get them on this move down. Oh man, that 50. All right, I will keep you updated here. And well, now we're getting a bounce to the upside. So I'm probably being a little too aggressive on those, wanting the 15 cents now at this point in time, but I'd like to try to be able to get a bigger, there we go. There's my 40s. Let's see if I can get my 30s. There's my 30s. Now I have a 42.50 average, and we'll look to try to get some more if I can. Try to pick up some more at 15. I got those. See if I can get some at 10. So my average now is 42.41. So if I can get some off at 50 and 51, that'd be nice. So I'm just kind of scattering out some orders right now in case I do get a bounce, but looks like I might be able to pick some up more down here. Trying to get some at, there we go, I got those. Average. So this is what I was hoping for, to be able to build a bigger position. My average is 42.26, very overextended, so you know that's what I was hoping for. So I'm just continuing to accumulate down here. Average right now is 42.16. Try some more at 77 there. There, got those. 42.14. Okay, got all those. 42.0. Getting some at 15, or excuse me, 50. These are all just 100 share lots that I'm doing. Now my average is under 42. So trying for some more at 50. I got those. 41.94. So getting a very nice size position here. Got those at 50. Trying for some at 48 here. Got those. My average is 41.89. Trying for some at 41. Try some more at 45. Average is 41.87. You know, when this thing bounces, it's gonna bounce with some authority, and that is what I'm building the position for. So let's see here. That bounce can get underway, or if it's going to pull back some more and let me add to my position. So okay, got those. Now my average is 41.82. Got those at 30. Try for some more down there at 30. Okay, got those. Now my average is 77. So we'll see if I can. So you can see here I'm now starting to scale out. So there's the bounce I was looking for. I'm just going 100 at a time. So you can see I just brought my position size down quite a bit with that upwards move. So it just needs to get up there again, and I can continue to scale out. So let's see if it can push back up there or not. And I'm debating if I want to just close up my entire long position here. And I think I'm going to. So all out, 181. So that was quite a bit of work. But as you can see, things kept pulling back on me further and further. And it was one of those things where I essentially had to go into loss mitigation mode, meaning I had to accept the fact that you know, it got way overextended on me. And you can see right there. Well, now I'm going to kill myself in hindsight because here we go. But right here, I don't like this pause. This was the bounce I was looking for, and you saw me scale out. And had it been able to maintain this even for just another 15 seconds longer, I would have been able to, you know, turn a very nice size profit. I still turn a profit on it, so it just goes to show that even with a loss mitigation mode, sometimes it can still turn into a small profit. Probably was about a break even when I factor in the trading commissions on it. But you know, one of those things where, I mean, you saw it just kept going further and further down on me. But you know, that's why I don't throw all my eggs in one basket up front. I was able to keep my average close, and then when I got this bounce here, and the bounce still could very well happen. But like I said, my average was at 77. But regardless, was able to get out, and I guess technically, according to this, get a gain of what, $30-something. But with commissions, that's probably a break, even if not a small little loss. But that's how it happens sometimes. So I'm glad we caught that, you know, on video. Again, people are, why are you averaging down in a losing position? Well, that's why I don't buy everything up. I'm not a position trader. I'm not taking my full position up front. I'm just slowly scaling in. And you know, this is what I was building the position for. Had this bounce continued as I was scaling out, this would have been you know, a huge you know, type home run score. Had this bounce continued, you saw me and witnessed as I was scaling out as this bounce happened, but then it got knocked back down, and now it's just struggling to get back up there. So that's why I was building the position to play the overextended bounce. However, in this case, the overextended bounce really didn't come and have any strength behind it. So I had to just eventually kind of scale out and, you know, accept that, you know, it's not going to quite work out. Well, here we are, another little bounce, maybe attempting. But for me, I felt more comfortable after seeing this failure here to bounce. You know, I just wanted to get out. So that's what I did. So that's why I continue to buy into a losing position. I'm not a position trader. This is not a position trading strategy. I wanted to build a bigger position in hopes that this would actually have some more strength behind it. And it had strength, yes, but just temporary strength. And like I said, my average was at 77, so I could have still technically been selling out here now for a win, but I took a loss on those final shares, and the overall trade, like I said, did make $30, but after commissions, did end up probably losing a little bit on it. But regardless, got to see a big position get built, and unfortunately, I didn't get the move that I was hoping for. Maybe this will be the move coming, but you know, I don't like to wait that long, so I just had to deal with the situation as it was. So hopefully you learned something there. Again, in the comments, you're an idiot, why are you averaging down? Because I'm trying to build a bigger position. That was what I wanted, and you saw it would have worked out very nicely, but just didn't get any follow through strength. So maybe check this one out and see, you know, when the day's over, whatever, see if there was any sort of follow through here. But you know, like I said, and maybe here is going to be a downwards move. But anyways, I got to wrap things up while I've been blabbing on too long. Hopefully you learned something. If you want to learn how to trade like this, you know, go to my claytrader.com training store. I have courses on how to use candlestick charts, level 2s, all that good stuff. And whether you don't have to trade like this specifically, but just using charts in general, you know, I offer many courses on that. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something.